Hi everyone, I'm Ellie. Welcome to my third tutorial in the DepthMapX series. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to run a visibility graph analysis using building footprints. This time we'll be applying the same method to interior layouts to understand how visible and connected different spaces are inside a building. So first, I've already got a floor plan ready. In this case, it's the BA building. We just want to make sure the layout is clean and only includes what we want to analyze. Once you're happy, select everything, go to File, Export Selected, and save as a DXF file. Next, you want to open up DepthMapX. Then go to File, New, and then that will create a new map view. Then go to Map, Import, and you want to import the DXF that we just exported from Rhino. On the left hand side, you'll see an index that shows all the different layers. This is really handy because you can toggle them on and off later if you want to simplify your analysis or do a different type of analysis of the same floor plate. Next, we want to go to Tools, Visibility, and Set Grid. For this test, I'll start with a grid spacing of 600. As we can see, that's too large, so I will go ahead and change it again. In this case, we'll test 100. You can see this gives a much more accurate analysis for the interior space. Now we want to select the paint bucket icon at the top and select the areas we want to analyze. In this case, the spaces between furniture and walls where people can actually move. Then go to Tools, Visibility, and then Make Visibility Graph. Press OK, and then we will let it run through the analysis. Once that's finished, we can see it's created the analysis, but the grid is still there. So we'll go up to View, and then we will untick the Show Grid. Now you can clearly see the result. We will also turn off all the other layers on the left, so that leaves us just with the visibility map. So this shows us the blue areas represent spaces with low visibility or low connection, while the red areas are highly visible and connected zones. This makes a lot of sense for this building since I know it personally. The main entry space and hallways are showing as red because they're open and connected, while the rooms appear blue because of all the furniture and walls breaking up the sight lines. And that is it. That's how you run a visibility graph analysis for an interior layout. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.